Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. So this is a Uno R3 board we are using right now. We'll also get a breadboard full size. This is a cable, and we also need some jumper wires.
Need jumper.
We also need a register. Register is here. Register. And this is a LED light. So
I
first,
think we got everything. So I will put.
so our first basic project is blinking a LED light.
Okay.
So connect this.
We have to connect it properly.
I'm supposed
Be
to.
careful. Hold it. Okay. Hold it from here. Okay. And then push it like this.
Okay, now. So we're going to plug it. Wait, I need some space.
Okay. For now, once you put it, what happens?
Well,
This LED light turn on.
so the LED lights turn on.
So basically, now let's put it here.
Now we have to put this wire into 13.
13, but you are not putting in 13 number. Can you see the numbers?
Oh wait, I forgot.
Okay.
Here
13. Okay.
Huh.
And another one.
we're going to put
okay.
it here.
You want to put here. Okay. So this one is connected. Now what next can you have to connect? Resistor.
Register.
So resistor will go in the same line. Okay. So these are horizontally connected. Okay.
Yeah. No.
Now we have to connect it. Basically we have to put it in further somewhere else.
Another line.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we'll
So from 13 pin resistor is connected. Okay.
connected.
Now next thing.
We need
LED.
this LED
Okay. So LED, which leg you have to connect there?
here.
Long leg. Okay. Long leg to need to connect it with that resistor. Okay.
Here.
Correct. So now resistor connected with long leg and short leg is gone in next one. Okay. Now to short leg we have to connect this next jumper.
Jumper wire.
Okay.
So we have to put it here.
Yeah, here that will also work.
So we have to
Okay. Now that
After
one where
that-
it will go?
GND.
Ground. Okay.
I think this is the one.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I think our circuit is
Completed.
ready. Okay. Now what we need to do, we have to code this.
Code this. So we'll go to Arduino IDE.
Here we have downloaded Arduino IDE. So here we can put our code.
Code.
Okay. So for code we need
ChatGPT.
we can get a help of ChatGPT. Here this one code.
Yeah.
What does it do? We put in 13 pin, no?
Yeah.
So we will use this pin more.
Yeah.
Okay. We have to add it here. Control V. So pin mode 13 output. So this setup, what setup does? It run
It
once,
runs once.
and in loop it will run in
Run in loop.
loop again and again. Okay. We have written only code. Okay.
Yeah. We have to select a board.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the code does? P mode 13. So
Pin mode
13 pin, and we have digital write 13.
Hmm.
So high means it will turn the LED on.
Hmm.
Then it will delay for 1 second. Then again
Yeah.
it will turn off the that particular, and then it will delay for 1 second, and then again it will do it again.
Do it and like a loop.
Now we will upload this code. Let's see if it works. Okay, I have uploading, done uploading. Okay, and here it's working, but due to light we cannot see.
And now you can see
Can you
it.
see?
Yeah, it's blinking.
Okay, this one is also here blinking. Okay, and this one is also here it's blinking.
Yeah.
Okay, so blinking project is
Done.
we have done very basic project. Okay.
Yes. You can also do 1, 2, then
Yes.
1, and then 1, 2,
One,
and then
1, 2, 2, 3 3 like that. So in this what happened, we are using pin mode LED bulletin. It's the same for 13 pin. Okay, then it will blink time 1, so basically delay for 15 seconds. Okay, 1500 1.5 second. Okay, then blink times 2, then blink times 3. Okay,
Yeah.
and here we have written this for loop.
Okay.
Okay, you understand for loop?
Yep.
What is the understand about for loop?
It was loop, loop, loop.
Loop,
So it
loop,
will
loop.
run. So it will run once. So it will run once, and then it will go loop in loop, and then again, and then loop, loop, and loop.
Loop, 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 loop.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, I think we have to add this camera to our that screen also. Okay. Okay, so now we have this camera.
We have a camera right now.
Now I will upload this new code. Okay. And let's see after that what happens. Okay. So new code is uploaded.
It goes 1 and then 2 and then 3.
Yeah, it goes
2, 3. Whoa, it actually works.
so. I think this is our basic project is done.
So our basic projects are done. There was also a shot of making another project to the buzzer.
So for this video, this is done.
Okay.
Now in next
Next we'll
we'll do that.
yeah.
Buzzer or something else. Okay.
Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel if you've seen one of my video like this.